Let's begin. Repeat the expressions out loud.
Sleeping on the job. Sleeping on the job.
The coast is clear. The coast is clear.
Quick as a flash. Quick as a flash. Step up to the plate. Step up to the plate.
Own up to. Own up to.
On thin ice. On thin ice.
Repeat the sentences out loud.
The security guard got in trouble for sleeping on the job. The thief waited until the coast was clear before robbing the bank.
The mouse ran as quick as a flash when it saw the cat.
He stepped up to the plate and gave a great speech.
He owned up to breaking the vase.
He was on thin ice after being late to work 3 times.
Repeat the expressions out loud.
Sleeping on the job.
The coast is clear.
Quick as a flash. Step up to the plate.
Own up to.
On thin ice.
Did you understand them all? I hope so. Remember to complete the PDF. Thanks for watching. See you in the next lesson.